Welcome to Creative Media, the place where marketing meets results.
Running ads but not sure if they're reaching the right people. In this video, I'll explain how to reach your specific audience with Google Ads, step by step. Let's explore types of audience you can use in Google Ads.
First is demographic targeting. Let's start with the basics. Demographics. Google Ads lets you filter by age, gender, parental status, household income, and even life events like moving or graduating. For example, if you're promoting a university program, you can target young adults who are about to graduate high school.
Next is location and language targeting. You can show ads in specific countries, cities, or even within a radius around your store. Plus, if your audience speaks English, French, or Spanish, you can set that too, so your ads only appear in the right places.
Then comes for search ads. Keywords are everything. Use short tail and long tail keywords to match user intent. For example, someone searching, buy running shoes online, is much closer to converting than someone just typing, shoes.
Now let's focus on audience segment. Google lets you reach people based on their interests and behaviors. These include affinity audiences is broad interests like travel lovers or gamers. While in-market audiences are people actively researching products and ready to buy, and lastly, custom segments is where you define keywords, competitor URLs, or apps your ideal customer interacts with.
Don't forget remarketing. If someone visited your website but didn't purchase, you can re-engage them with display ads, YouTube ads, or search ads reminding them about your product until they're ready to buy.
And lastly comes placement and contextual targeting. For display and YouTube campaigns, you can control exactly where your ads appear. That means choosing specific websites, YouTube channels, or apps your audience uses, or placing ads next to content that's directly related to your product.
So, by combining demographics, location, keywords, audiences, and remarketing, you can make sure your Google Ads reach the exact people who are most likely to convert. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more marketing tips.